Back at you guys with another video, and I had a lot of suggestions in the comments about what food I should make, and I considered them all, and I will get to them. But first, just to give you guys a taste of what I'll be doing for videos, I just want to show you my favorite dish so you guys can see what kind of cooking videos will be to come. So muffin, it's the first thing you need. This dish is kind of like a French cuisine kind of thing, you know. It's a bit of I can't really call it that because I made it up, but I'm telling you guys, try this for yourself. Next, you're gonna grab a spoon. A soup spoon works the best. I'll see if I have one, guys. Oh, we might just be in luck. Yep, we're in luck, guys. Okay. Soup spoon, okay? Don't take this off yet. It will ruin it. It will be horrible if you take this off. So next you need a pomegranate, or this is a nectarine. They work the same. You're gonna check the perimeter, and you're gonna just come in like this, guys. You're gonna carve out this bit of the muffin. I actually messed up a little bit right here. It's pretty thin, but fudge sickles. Okay, we can fix this. Actually, we can fix this, guys. All you're gonna need to fix it, here we are. Simple ingredient. If you rip the sides a little, onion dip. Onion dip. Mayonnaise will actually fix it, guys. So you just get a little bit of is this really what I'm doing? You get some mayonnaise, guys. Fill in the cracks. That's a little too much. Just take some of that out, put it in this side. See what I'm doing here? I'm using the back of the spoon to flatten it so it holds. Boom. And that should stay in nicely now. Then, guys, hopefully, not everybody has this. You don't need this step, but if you've got some fries from last night sitting on a plate beside the sink, what you can do with those is take one of these things and what you want to do. Sorry guys, I forgot the recipe. It's been a long time. Barbecue sauce. Now, basically the barbecue sauce acts as glue, but it is also really good with the nectarine and mayonnaise. It's a good combo. And you know, it's pretty good with muffins too. You take these rock hard fries and you just glue them on the top. They should stay perfectly. A1, those won't move. And then you're good. You know what? Yeah. And you're good for these condiments. So you're just gonna throw them back. Next, guys, is a pretty vital ingredient. Now, if you don't do this properly, you are gonna have to restart. So you only get one chance. Once you mess up, it's over. So you're gonna cut a piece of cucumber, right? Size doesn't matter. You're okay. You don't mess up on this part. You just fucked up. You didn't cut it exactly 3 1/4 inch. You idiot. All right, pause the video. Get this going again. You will seriously have to restart. Now this is 3 1/4 inch exactly, as you can see. Now, follow closely, okay? Right down the middle, right? A little bit deeper. Just a little less than halfway. Now come in at the bottom here. And as you guys can see, you'll have, then you want to angle it. Now this acts as a really good taste, basically. And what you want to do with this is from here, once you have this cut, you come down from this side and from this side. Easy, carefully guys. Now angle it like this and this way. And hopefully you can take these two things out. Fuck, did I mess up? No, we're good. Yeah, so here you can see guys, you won't be needing this. It's not important. And your meal is actually ready. There's no way. There's no way it got bad. There's no way. There's no way it's that bad. There's actually no way. Guys, you might not want to put barbecue sauce. I think that might have been was supposed to be anything but barbecue sauce. That was actually fucking disgusting.